These are the 12 core requirements of PCI DSS security rules that businesses must follow to protect payment card data. If they are having the payment card gateway and collecting the cardholder data, so these are the requirements. Here are the simple list. Install and maintain a firewall configuration to protect call data. Means you have a database for storing the information such as cardholder, uh, credit card number and name, expiry date, all. So you have to maintain means your database should be behind the firewall only. You cannot uh, put it in the public without protection. Second, do not use vendor supplied password for system password and security parameters. Suppose you have a firewall, you have installed firewall, but default admin password you have not changed. Like user ID is admin and password is admin. So this should not be happen. Third, protect stored holder data like encryption. Encrypting store credit card details. You cannot say plain text data. You just encrypt details, AES 256 and other. Fourth, encryption transmission of cardholder data across open public networks. Right? Across the public networks, if you are transmitting the cardholder data, encrypt this. Means TLS should be there. And fifth one, use a regularly update antivirus software and programs. If you have stored cardholder data in the server, so it must be there must be a antivirus, and it should be updated, latest patches and all. 6. Develop and maintain secure system and application. Apply security patches and updates. Your system should be secure. All security patches should be there. Application should be verified. And 7th, restrict access cardholder data by business need to know only. If you have collected cardholder data for making the payment, and it should not be used for some other purposes like promoting your business and all. You have collected the email ID and starting advertising on this, so that should be not happen. You have collected for this purpose and only use for that purpose only, so you should restrict only. Need to know. Means this should be confidential only. 8th, assign a unique ID to each person with computer access. No shared login. Use multi-factor authentication. Suppose you have a server and you have stored cardholder data, and there is a login, and that login, admin login or system login, is common for different people. Suppose 3 persons are using for the same system, and they are using the same ID and password for all. So if there is a happening, or there is some error or some mistake or some stolen things, so you cannot audit that who has done the archiving. So for this reason you have different login for different each peoples. You cannot share the same login for this among all. This is the reason. And login should be multi-factor authentication, MFA, like SMS, OTP, all. And ninth, restrict physical access to cardholder data. Control and monitor who can physically access this. Simply, who are willing to see and who has access this data. So you have to maintain the physical, proper security, biometric access and all, and you have to maintain this log, who have entered and what time they have entered in the server room and data center. 12th, track and monitor all access to networks, resources and cardholder data. Keep logs and review them. You have to monitor logs, who has visitors, and system logs should be stored in the log server, so that if required we can audit, and it should be NTP enabled, network protocol, so NTP should be there. And 11th, regularly test security system and processes such as vulnerability scan and penetration testing. See, VNPT is the periodic scanning. Suppose you have done the scanning 6 months back, then after 6 months you should again perform this VNPT process. 12th, maintain a policy that addresses information security for our personnel. Have company-wide security rules and trainings. In the company, you must have the policy that you are giving personal trainings for the employees time to time, so that awareness for security, cyber security awareness will be maintained across the company. So these are the 12 requirements work together to secure payment card information from both digital and physical threats.